Hey there, Aquatree family. Welcome back to the Aquatree channel. I'm Lauren, and I'm so happy to have each and every one of you tuning in to watch our Aquatree assembly video. You're probably wondering, is the Aquatree as easy to assemble as they say it is? Well, the answer is yes. I'm going to walk you through all the steps to get a one-level Aquatree built and ready to grow. Have your box open and ready? All right, let's start assembling. After removing all the Aquatree parts from your box, you're going to want to find a nice flat surface to begin assembling. It's easier to work from the bottom up, so the first part you need is your water tank placed directly in front of you. Next, grab the spout that includes the pump tube already connected and the tank lid. When you connect the two, twist the spout until it inserts easily into the tank lid. Once it's fully inserted, twist the spout to lock it in place. You're going to want to hook up the pump next. Check to make sure the pump intake level is fully open by turning it all the way counterclockwise. Then insert the pump through one of the lid holes and connect the pump to the pump tube. Lower the entire assembly into the tank. If you're growing proteins or beans, you're not going to want to use a light on this next step because using a light will make them bitter. But for this demonstration, I'm going to build a one-level Aquatree to grow microgreens. Since the microgreens require the grow light, let's go ahead and add our extension. Top it off with the light assembly and the cap, and we're almost done. Now let's build our level. 5 irrigation trays per level and 1 micro lid in each irrigation tray. Easy peasy. Now we're ready to add water and plant some seeds. If you plan to place your Aquatree in an area away from where you're assembling, I recommend moving the system before you add water. Right out of the box, the easy assembly will have you growing like a pro in no time. Thanks again for joining us. If this is your first time with us, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to join our awesome community. And if you don't find what you're looking for in this video, we welcome you to explore our other amazing videos. We have tons of valuable content to help you master your Aquatree game. From expert tips and tricks to wonderful insights from our community members to help you start growing free with the Aquatree. I'm Lauren, and I'll see you in the next one.